Hello lovely Lyntonites, this is just a quick video just saying that I really hope lots and lots of you are going to come to the amazing workshops that have been put on by Lynton this year. So there's one in Manchester on Monday the 20th of September and also another one on Monday the 11th of October in London. I'm going to be at both, I wouldn't miss them for the world. I'm going to be talking about rosacea. Now I know I've already spoken a bit about rosacea during lockdown, but I'm actually going to be drilling down a lot more into the subtypes and really kind of talking to you about how to approach this condition and how to treat your clients who may already be having other treatments as well. So both basically combining treatments and how to approach the subtypes. So I really hope you're going to be there. I'm going to be talking as well about a very little known subtype of rosacea called neurogenic or neurogenic rosacea. So please do come. The workshops are absolutely amazing. I actually brought this out today because I wanted to show you. I don't know if you can see this. It actually says 2007. So this was my first or second Lynton workshop, I can't remember, but the reason I still have this is because the content is still so relevant and so brilliant, and I use it all the time. So do come along, it'll be a fantastic event. It'll be so nice to meet you all. I know we've all kind of met virtually quite a bit actually for over the last 18 months during lockdown. We probably all have gotten to know each other a bit more because of COVID actually. But it'd be really nice to see all your lovely faces at the workshop, and I'll look forward to meeting all of you then.